Transforming legacy paper drawings into digital formats is a crucial step for many industries aiming to modernize their archives and workflows. The journey from paper to pixels not only preserves valuable information but also unlocks new opportunities for reuse, modification, and integration within modern design environments. At the heart of this process lies CAD conversion, a meticulous procedure that ensures every line, curve, and annotation from the original drawing is accurately represented in a digital format. The process typically begins with scanning. Original paper drawings, sometimes decades old, are carefully fed into high-resolution scanners. The goal is to produce a detailed digital image that captures all the nuances of the original, including fine lines, faded marks, and handwritten notes. This scanned image becomes the foundation for the next steps. Once scanned, the real transformation begins with manual tracing. Here, skilled technicians open the scanned image within a CAD software environment. They painstakingly trace over the drawing, recreating every element as precise digital vectors. Unlike automated solutions, manual tracing allows for human judgment, ensuring that ambiguous or unclear sections are interpreted correctly and that any distortions from the scanning process are corrected. Vectorizing is the critical step that translates raster images, comprised of pixels, into vector graphics, which use mathematical equations to represent shapes and lines. Vectorized drawings can be scaled infinitely without loss of quality, edited with precision, and easily integrated into modern design projects. This step often involves a combination of automated tools and manual correction, guaranteeing that the digital version is a faithful reproduction of the original. The benefits of CAD conversion are far-reaching. Not only does it preserve vital legacy information, but it also enables seamless collaboration, future modifications, and integration with advanced design tools. Through careful scanning, manual tracing, and precise vectorizing, legacy drawings are given a new digital life, ensuring their continued value and usability for years to come.